What's up guys, your regular live enthusiastic Jomie Hospital, that's Jomie, and most of you probably don't know that I have this weekly segment in my YouTube channel called Q4J. It's questions for Jomie. It's basically you asking me questions and then I answer them. And since daghan nagapangutana on my page and I cannot answer all of them, I decided why not create an episode, a Q4J episode in Bisaya. So after 3 long months, it's time for Q4J! Usual gal would like to ask, hi po, unsa sinugdanan aning tanan? I mean, sa imong mga hugot lines ba? Kinsa imong inspiration para mabuhat nimo ning mga butanga? I find this question really funny because short backstory, ngadto kong iligan mga 2 weeks ago to see this person that I've dated way back 2014 and I asked for closure. Kay lagi, I always end up falling for him every time mag-message siya. I asked him really hard na kung pwede will end it, like really end it once and for all. Kay basin di ay na-in-love lang ko sa idea that I have someone I like who likes me back and di sa actual person jud. You know what I mean? Moto, nisugot siya and a day before our date, lingon siya nga di siya madayon. And ang yung reason, kay masuko daw yung uyab. Moto, I spent 2 days alone in my room listening sa mga kanta ni Adele and I realized, why not mag-create a video about 8 signs na wala pa ka-move on sa imong ex? And I'm so happy to tell you that that was my big break. So, sa ex na wala na kami, thank you so much. Showbiz! Lanley would like to ask, hospital jud imong apelido? Yes, Lan, hospital jud akong apelido. So, imagine kung nag-medicine ko. Tawagon na din ko ninyo, Dr. Hospital. Tapos magtukod dahin kog hospital. Tawagon ako akong hospital o Doctors Hospitals Hospital! Pwede dyan na!
Pwede dyan na?
Jiko Tarin Kashi Chuckster Kajitodo. Seriously? Jiko Tarin Kashi Chuckster Kajitodo would like to ask, hi Jomie, I'm an avid fan of yours. I have a lot of good vibes watching your videos, especially the BJ series, and watch all of your videos about college be like. Wow. The funniest one I've watched was the 8 signs na wala pa ka move on sa imong ex. You are so talented and God bless you with your amazing humor. If there's one thing I'm going to ask, that will be a fan sign. I hope it isn't too much to ask. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Jiko Tarin Kashi. I don't usually do fan signs, but for you, I will. So, yeah, suratan tika. Hi. Oh, diba? And then, kuhaon sa nato. Wait. Ang fan! Atong ipilit sa scotch tape. Uy! Nung ganahan man dyan mo fan sign, nga hastang bugatar ba dyan aning fan? Carry na? Winslin would like to ask, curious lang ko, mangutan ako, basahon ba nimo tanan comments dire? Yes, of course. I always take time to read the comments, especially sa inbox. It just so happened that di na ko kaya malukop og reply, so do not stop dropping comments because I read them and I love them. Thank you. Jesse James Manos would like to ask, if mahimo ang imong BJ serye o sa ka-segment sa TV, asa ka mas ma-prefer? Bubble Gang or Banana Split? Of course, Banana Split. Fan kayo ko sa Baby Love. Hi, JC. Nika Alvarado would like to ask, hi Jomie, naibog kayo ko sa imong fedora hat. Kinsa di itong red, pink, orange o wig sa inyong video ni Jonalo? Haha, siya ray way ngalan sa vid. So, the girl in all BJ serie episodes, except sa first episode, imong mama is my sister, Coke Cake. Yes, mo dyan na yung name, Coke plus Cake. And we call her sa episode as Madam Sassy. O diba, na siya yung name. And siya po di ay ang nag-create sa most lines sa imong mama. Kay palaaway siya at kung bata pa siya. Imong mama panday.
Imong mama buang, gidalang itik sa buwangan!
Kate Molinas would like to ask, unsay naa sa imong black hat? Nice question. I initially want this hat to become my brand, but for now, it's more like a lame excuse kay wala ko haircut. So yeah. John Manongas would like to ask, kinsay mas gwapa? Si Jonalo or si Belinda? Wait, let me ask someone to answer that question. In 3, 2, 1. Now back to your question, John. Kinsa ang mas gwapa? Si Belinda or si Jonalo? Kailangan pa rin na tubagon?
Kay daghan magud ko amigo na pangit.
Grace Kahaponon would like to ask, Kuya, ginalaban sa na ninyo ang inyong sanina sa BJ serye? Oo, oy, lisod po, manimahom yung Junalo kung di na mo laban. And you might be wondering, inanim yung mga laban ni Junalo.
Finally, Ariel happened to me. One wash clean sa Labada for just $7.50.
Diwata Villarmia would like to ask, nganong may bar ang Ariel? My God, Diwata, wala ka na-inform? Nanay bar ang Ariel, pasa Junalo! Oh, diba? Bar na Ariel! Mapun mo kabalo, no? Cats Jazeera would like to ask, Kuya, unsay mong benefit sa paghimo og videos? Nakakwarta na? Benefits, I love doing videos, plus I'm so happy that you guys love this video, so nakabalipay kag tao, there's that. But monetary-wise, no, dili ko kakwarta diri sa FB, sa YouTube ra. So go follow my YouTube account, my YouTube channel, show your support by watching all of my videos. The link can be seen below. Chandy Kalunsag would like to ask, na kayo yabya? I have a couple of flings sa college, but no, I've never been in an actual relationship. So, hashtag NBSB. Adonimil Baguio would like to ask, aslam ko kung naba ko'y pag-asa ni mo, Jumi. Adonimil, kaya man ka ni mo buhato ng tanan para makuha ko.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw na?
Searles Imblante would like to ask, love ni mo si BJ? Of course, super love. Bro good. Bro?
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabilang ako para bang di manda ang lahat ng ito. Sa isang sulat mo nabigay ako.
Nevetsim Mabatid would like to ask, hi Doc Jomi, aslam ko kung kanusa patawon mo magkamo ni bro. Actually, siya naman lang akong gihulat.
Dahil manhid ka, walang makiramdam. Oh babe, manhid ka, puro dead magkanala.
Bitaw, ang butana niya ni Vetsim, grabe naman nung taamong chemistry, biology, o physics. How about you? Do you want to see more of bro? Comment section. By the way, I just would like to announce that I want to create a series aside from the BJ Serye, and I want to call it POB, or That One Boy, wherein it's a video series about that constant search for true love. Every week, mag-introduce ko og eye candy. Don't worry, I know you like it. And this week, I will be working with Babe, and I'll be uploading the first episode tomorrow night, so be sure to catch it. John Dinopo would like to ask, Kuya, batiin mo naman kami, Team Track and Field ng JRU sa Rizal University, Mandaluyong City, Manila. Paano kasi kami? Bisaya rin kami. Ikaw lang libangan namin dito sa Manila.
Ay, libangan oh.
See, libangan! It's actually the reason why I don't speak in Tagalog. And maybe I'll work on it and focus on Tagalog content someday. But for now, gusto ko lang batiin ang Team Track and Field ng Jose Rizal University. Thank you for the love. Continue what you're doing and make your mama proud. I think it would be nice if you can post a picture of your group in the comment section. Please, I would want to see it. So that's it for this week. If you want to see the previous episode of Q4J, click on the link below and I'll see you next week for another episode of Q4J. Let's do this every Monday, shall we? I believe that's it for today. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Jomi Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you! I have a couple of links sa college.